for those who wants to have a bigger size, don't worry. We still have another kind of house model that are bigger and that has other features that you might want to see. So I'm going to proceed with the Tokyo house model. It's a 4-bedroom box type modern minimalist. So we're still going to show you the dress up. Hello, ate. We'll have it quickly lang. Thank you. Again, this is a box type minimalist. It's still modern look. Carport on your right. Kasya dyan ang dalawang sedan. And a bigger frontage which you can actually convert into your any kind of outdoor setup. Let's head inside. So pagpasok, normal layout, living agad, but there is a bedroom on the ground floor, which is perfect if you have an elderly family member or maybe just an extra, storage or home office. Wow, lamig. Anyway, over here is a dining. This is a sliding door which leads you to the carport and the service area. And there's enough space for extra garden. So it gives you a bright, natural light inside. And very spacious ang stairs. Actually, kasya yung dalawang tao. So kapag nagmamadali ka, you can just overtake. Overtake for what? Anyway, this is a long hallway. This is big. This is another bedroom because this is a 4-bedroom house. So yung isa nasa baba and the other 3 are here. You still have a common toilet and bath over here with complete fixtures. Very modern and lots of windows. So let me tour you around to the actual house. Let me show you the actual house. So it's just right beside this one. Again, ilan ang square meter nito? Hinahanap ko. Here, it is 107 floor area and 100 square meter, which is bigger than Sydney model for those who want a bigger size. So by the way, this is a single detached house, ha? But since this is a dress-up model, pinagtabi na lang. But actually, it's all single detached, so nothing to worry about. Again, there are 2 color options. You have the brown color there and the orange, just like the Sydney. Is a screen door directly to your extended garden, or if you want extra carport. And here is the actual service area, which is sobrang haba niya. O hindi, hanggang dito lang pala. So as you can see, it's still complete. Merong bathroom sa baba, sa taas, and also this one as your additional room. And still high ceiling. And there you have it, mga ka-explorer. Nag-i-echo yung boses ko. I guess we have to go outside. Alright? Take 2. And there you have it, mga ka-explorer. If you want to know more about this property, just click the link on the comment below. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Nabubulol ako.
Make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life, and anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life, and anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life, and anyone with a heart would agree.
Mga ka-explorer, gusto mo bang ma-feature ang dream home or dream property mo? Just comment down below and we will feature it for you.